Hi beautiful, welcome to Winnie Styles. I natural hairstyles, definition, stretch and shape always make all the difference. That's why it's always important to choose the right coil defining routine, coiling hair maintenance or definition method that will always bring out your natural hair pattern. I just want you guys to know that you shouldn't shy away when it comes to shrinkage management techniques for some natural texture hair care and maximum definition. So we have the heat freestyling method, which is the best, that involves those twisting through strands of damp hair and then gently unraveling them for that defined stretch coil look. And they work best for any kind of type of hair, so especially dense or even highly textured locks that requires those definition and elongation. So one thing about the styles today is that they are a hairstyle that will look great on all texture of hair, and there's a style that will really make you look beautiful and give you those defined curves, and they will protect your health because you don't need to go under the heat to dry your hair. You can just air dry your hair and you are good to go. So definitely this style is just one of the most popular good retention techniques that will help keep your scalp protected, from all those excessive heats or all those exposures that will really cause some damages to your hair. And you can see how the style will always create that movement even on your short natural hair. So this style is a beautiful wash and go short style because the quick styling approach is a real deal for seasonal natural hair care, as it can easily be adjusted to different humidity levels. So you can see how you can define your coils with your fingers, and just a simple brush. And one thing about the style, you can see how it will look so beautiful and give you that defined coil you want. So let me just let you guys to please watch the rest of the styles we have. We've carefully selected about 20 beautiful short natural hairstyles that will really take your hair to the next level and turn eyes towards you in that occasion. If it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Let us know your minds in the comment section below. I want to say a big thank you to everyone. God bless you guys, and please stay look to Winnie Styles for more beautiful short natural haircut coming your way in the next few hours. Bye for now.
It's like I'm proving myself and everything depends on you. Can't get my eyes off you. Girl, I'm in love with you. Cause it ain't more. Cause now you be the one. Don't even think that I let you to suffer. Cause you are my angel, my lover. Listen, so it's you won't believe if you don't believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. Say my love go past the love you give me. If I fall your hand, I beg to leave. With you won't believe if you don't believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. Say my love go past the love you give me. If I fall your hand, I beg to leave me, baby. If you are my girl, I'll take you around the world. I'll take you places where you've never ever been before. So give me your hand, I'm giving you my heart. I promise I'll be loving you forever and ever. that I'll find someone like you that will capture my heart, and there's nothing I can do. Say I used to lie to myself that I'll always be a player, but since I set my eyes on you, you don't make me fall in love. Fall in love, fall in love. We supposed marry, cause you don't make me fall in love.
If I die now, I go, I be say when I did this one, I don't fall in love. Which one you did?
Say I used to lie to myself that I'll always be a player, but since I set my eyes on you, you don't make me fall in love. Fall in love, fall in love. We supposed marry, cause you don't make me fall in love.
If I die now, I go, I be say when I did this one, I don't fall in love. Which one you did? Well, you did treat me so.
I don't beg, I don't do everything, but you tell me say you need time and you know fit there with me. Not so high pride. Anywhere I just go, if you help me see it go, if you tell him I don't go, she no look me so don't bang my leg go. If you help me see it go, make you tell him I don't go, she no look me so don't bang my leg go. I know say you they hear my voice, cause this song ain't my right for you. I had to go find one place where I go hide my head, cause I won't start my whole life anew. If you help me see it go, make you tell